Hey guys, my name is 100 Gaming. Hey guys, I want to play some Minecraft. Yay! Ah! The door! Oh, I have a lot of stuff. Yep. Alright guys, I think... Alright, so... I made a lot of food, guys. I want to play some Minecraft. I'll suck at Minecraft, basically. Oh, there's a lot of lava lakes that I can throw stuff I don't need. Commonly, this is my house. I have no... Yep, this is my house. Basically, this white bed, I want to stay. Basically, I want to leave home. I want to resist. Oh, it's some pork chop. Pork chop. So much pork chop. So much chests. This is empty. This is not empty. You know how I got this? I got this from a dungeon. Alright, it's getting dark outside. Actually not. Is it getting dark? Yeah, I can sense there is. It is going to get dark. Alright. More pork chop. Alright. It will keep my health. I have so many pork chop. I killed a lot of pigs. Alright. Game is lagging for me. Let me close the door because it's turning nighttime. I'm waiting for this pork chop to cook. It goes bed. Bed, yes. There we go. Pork chop. No. Here. Cool. Stop it. Stop it. Alright. Guys, I think I want to show you my world I made in creative mode. This world stinks. And I hear water. It's blowy. I don't want to dig because I don't want to get stuck. And then I want to turn on creative mode. If I get stuck. This tree is dead. All overnight. This tree does not exist now. Oh, I have to burn this bush. I think we should grow it. Yeah, grow. See? I want to be nice to nature this time. That tree will grow, and you won't. Because you're an adult cow. Come over here. I will smack you with my iron sword. Yes! Iron sword is working. Why are you running away so fast? You! I'm going to get you. I'm not... Don't pick up! Don't run over my garden. Okay? There you go. Kill the cow. And I got some leather. I don't need some leather. Because I don't... Stop moving. I said moving. It's mooing, not moo. There's a lot of poppies in here. This is where my home is. Basically, I have, like... Should I, like, knock this down? I think we should not knock this down. Basically, I think we're gonna move. Yeah. I wanna throw a few stuff away. And I'll the wheat. I'll put more extra chicken, extra beef. We're going to throw out the lever. We're going to throw out the chest because we're going to throw out the sticks. We're not going to throw out even this. I'm going to throw out the doors. Yeah, not the cobblestones. Not the furnace. I have to keep this house empty. Yep, I think we're ready to move. This house will be abandoned. To be honest, we're gonna move out. I'll remember you. Throw the seeds away. I think we should not throw the name tag. We're going to throw this. We're going to throw the sticks. We're going to throw the dirt. We're going to throw the cobblestones. And I think that's it. I'm going to throw out. Probably. What did I throw, guys? I don't know. I have no idea what have I thrown. Alright, bye house. I will remember you. Basically, I want to stay for a little, basically. Oh, I forgot to throw out the chest! OMG. I still need the white bed, because I'm not going to trouble. Alright, I'll show you out my house, alright? I mean my buildings. In my other world in creative mode, okay? Alright, guys. Oh, sorry about the villagers. Alright, I forgot. Okay, there we go. So, this is a building that I made first in my world. Wonderful, right? Basically, this took for me 2 hours to build this. I'm not gonna lie, I made this. I made this building all by myself. I made all of the buildings. Yeah, even that tower. Where's the tower? Sorry. There, that tower. I made that portal right there when I go to Neverland. I mean, the Nether. Yeah. I learned a lot about Minecraft, a lot. These are cats. Yeah, I have to stay away from them. These are flowers. This is the room. There's a lot to decorate. And this is my dog Poppy. There he is. There she is, not him. This is the storage room right there I'm pointing at. Oh, skeleton. Hi, skeleton. Yep, you deserve that. And there's the llama. The dogs. And there's the garden. There's the statue of the diamond sword that I'm holding right now. I'm not going to help the villagers yet. This is the armor shop. And basically always... Why is there lots of monsters spawning? Wait, well, who are you? Alright, there's a lot of buildings I made. There's a jack-o'-lanterns. I didn't change the theme for a long time. This is a restroom. There's no bathroom. And guys, it's loading, guys. This building is basically... Whoa! What skeleton are you? Nice. Can't get inside. I can't see it. Wow, nice. Nice armor skeleton. I cannot even see the ice palace I made. I can't hurt him. Whoa. Sorry. I want to steal your armor. Bye, armor. Alright. I did not make a door. Basically, let me break in. You guys, let me make an entrance. I have to show you this. I have to fix this first. Let me just, there we go. Oh my gosh. There you go. This, oh man, is I have a part. I basically built this. This is an ice palace basically I made. Why is this not half loaded? Alright, this thing is not even loaded enough. That's okay, guys. I'm just showing the building. It's actually finished, but basically the inside is not finished. Yeah. Yeah, you like the building. Yeah. I built all this stuff all by myself. Like, yeah. I have no help from people, basically. Yeah, that's a tower I'll skydive, for some reason. Like, with my wings. Where's the wing thingy? I forgot the name. Oh, there it is. It's an elm tray. This? Yeah. You can wear it in the back. Go. Wonderful. I forgot how to control it. Yeah. I don't know. Ah! Wait! Oh, I'm doing it, guys! Woo! Yeah! You like my flying? Sorry guys, my notifications are actually ruining the video. Yeah, the notifications are ruining the video. I was flying! Now I remember how to fly. That building is unfinished. This one, looking at what I'm looking at. Whoa, there's a lot of zombies right here. I made a bridge. I made this portal. Yeah, it's right here. I don't want to go inside it yet. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, please like and subscribe. I hear the portal. Please like and subscribe. And bye, people.